Hi everyone, I'm back with another coding question, which is max sum subarray of size k. In this example, we need to find the maximum sum of subarray. The given size of k is the window size from the array. So, for example, if we have given this array in which we have four elements, so from that we have given that size of window is 2. So we need to find like if 100 plus 1 is a one subarray, if it is giving maximum sum or not, likewise. So here I am using sliding window approach for the optimal solution, and for we can use brute force solution using for loop. We need to use two nested for loops, but it is giving more time complexity than optimal solution. So I am just using optimal solution, which is sliding window approach. So here I am using two variables, like this is the start, which is starting point, and end, which is the ending point for that particular window size, like key. So first it will start at the start. Both the start and end will point to the starting element, starting index of the array. So and we just need to move the end till it will not equal to n minus start plus 1 to the kth size. Once it will reach till the k size, we need to maintain that maintain that window size, so we can avoid the we can avoid the calculations again and again. So in which I'm using max sum to store the maximum sum value, and I'm initializing it with the minimum value. And while we are starting with the while loop, and while n is less than array of length, so it will run till array of length sum. While n is less than array of length sum equals to sum plus array of end. So if n minus start plus 1 is less than k, then we need to move the n plus plus till it will not reach n minus start plus 1, which is equal to k. Once this condition is true, then we need to check that max sum using method max function, and it will update the maximum sum from the temporary sum variable, and it will store inside the maximum sum. And after that, we need to remove the first element array of start from this sum, because we need to maintain the size of window, which is k size. So we need to remove the first element from the sum, and need to increment the pointer of start and pointer of end as well. And after removing start element from the sum, we just adding array of n to the sum again, and it will go inside the if condition, where n minus start plus 1 equal to k. And again, if sum is greater than max sum, it will update likewise, and it will return the maximum sum from the array. Yeah, so I am just submitting the code.